Hi Matt, I'm John Olson. I sent you an email about the Sonata. You had sent in an internet lead for information on the new Sonatas, and typically I shoot a quick video. I'm not sure exactly what equipment, colors, etc. that interest you, but I'm going to show you one that I have here in stock right now. This is a GLS version, and you know, obviously I've got a lot of different colors, different packages. This particular car runs about 22 and change, and of course they go up depending on what kind of equipment you like. But even in this price range, power windows, power locks, automatic, air conditioning, steering wheel controls, I wanted to show you. They're kind of neat because you have controls. Kind of hard to see with the glare there, but this is all entertainment for your radio, iPod, Bluetooth, cruise control, and there's a trip computer right here, and you can operate all those features and never let go of the steering wheel. AM, FM, CD, XM, you get a 90-day trial of XM satellite radio, and up on the rearview mirror, it's kind of hard to see, but the three buttons on the left are BlueLink, which is it's kind of like Hyundai's version of OnStar, only more like OnStar on steroids, and you get a year trial of that. The other three on the other side are for garage door openers, and the Sonata has a ton of space inside. This is a Premier fabric that we use on the upholstery. Wears like iron, but it's really comfortable and breathes really well in the summertime, keeps you cool. Ton of room inside. You know, Hyundai's got the best warranty in the car business. And I think secondly, they're known for their amount of interior space and cargo room. And I'm going to give you a quick look at the trunk. It's kind of hard to see in this light, but there is a lot of cargo space. And I'm not going to eat up a lot of your time, but I just kind of thought it'd be a good idea to give you a quick look at one of the Sonatas. I also have two red tagged Sonatas right now. And red tag means we've discounted them. And I think we've discounted them considerably. They're, I believe they're a limited version, so they'd have leather and heated seats and sunroof, etc. I know one of them I think we had discounted around $4,000, and the other one was in that neighborhood, I think. At any rate, give me a shout when you can. I'll get you as much information as you'd like. And my cell number is 316-680-9823. I hope this video was helpful to you. And I look forward to hearing from you, Matt. Anything I can do, I'm at your service. You have a great day. Bye.